Before we bring you the next witness, I want to take this opportunity to welcome my guest for this hour, trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, always great to have you. Let's talk about this testimony because, again, I'm assuming the state is trying to say and establish time of death and that she actually has disappeared and was murdered. So they're showing surveillance videos from neighbors, and this sergeant just said he watched 48 hours of it, but then he did narrow it down and say the other vehicles were identified as neighbors and really not relevant or important. It's her Suburban that we looked at.
Yeah, no, I mean, this is what surveillance looks like in modern day crime evidence, right? You have surveillance. 30 years ago, you never had this type of surveillance, right? You couldn't have seen this type of evidence. If this woman would have disappeared and her luxury home builder husband said, yeah, I had nothing to do with it, this would not be available. But right now, like this surveillance is showing a pattern because they do have to establish that she died. Because, I mean, theoretically speaking, if she could be alive, right? I mean, doesn't seem likely, but they have to show that she died. If they can't show that she died, it was some sort of circumstantial evidence, then a big part of the prosecution's case doesn't exist.